This is the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Chronograph, model number 311-334-030-02001. The dark outer box simply features the Omega logo and opens up to present the dark wooden case and a documentation compartment on the side. In the side compartment, you'll find the grey suede wallet, pictogram card, warranty card and a certificate of authenticity. The dark wooden box is exactly what you'd expect from Omega. It is beautifully built with a push button to open it, silver hinges and a large seahorse logo on the inside of the lid. This is a remake of the original Speedmaster 2998-1, built as a homage to the famous and much loved watch. Omega has reimagined the watch in a way that keeps many of the familiar features and vintage feel while also giving it a fresh lease of life with a new colour scheme. At first the dial seems to be white or cream, but on closer inspection it is an opaque silver colour. The unusual blue minutes track and subdials work really well together to create a vintage look. The subdials include a small seconds recorder at 9 o'clock position, a 30-minute recorder at the 3 o'clock position, and a 12-hour recorder at the 6 o'clock position. The hour and minute hands have retained the same shape as the original Speedmaster, while the second hand features a circular luminescent marker instead of the older models which either featured an arrowhead shape or did not feature a luminescent marker at all. Surrounding the face is a polished blue ceramic bezel with a tachymeter scale. You'll notice that the tachymeter scale reads base 1000 rather than simply reading tachymeter or tachymeter 500, which is found on modern Omega watches. This is a great detail added by Omega as a nod to the original Speedmaster, which only included the base 1000 markings for the first few years of production before the decision to make the change. The face of the watch is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective treatment on the inside. When viewed from the side, you'll be able to see just how much the crystal protrudes from the watch. On the side of the watch, you'll find the wind-down crown bearing the Omega logo and two push buttons which are used to control the subdials. Inside is the Omega Calibre 1861, which is the same movement used in the original Moonwatch. The stainless steel caseback features a seahorse emblem with the word Speedmaster written above it, and CK2998 and limited edition engraved around the sides. The caseback also ensures that the watch is waterproof to 50 meters or 167 feet. The strap is made from embossed blue leather, beige stitching and fastened with a steel buckle. On the wrist, the watch looks fantastic, and its 39.7mm diameter really adds to that vintage feel, and will fit most wrists. This watch has a refreshingly different look, and has maintained many of the much loved features from the original Speedmaster. So if you're looking for a Speedmaster, but fancy a splash of colour, then this could really be a great option. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon. Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.